So this is Premise and been recording, and I am recording a tutorial on box multiplication. In order to let's say, for instance, that I am trying to multiply 57 by 42, right? Well, in order to box multiply, what you will need to do is you will need to take the 50 and put it in one box, the 7 and put it in another, the 40 and put that in a box, and then write your 2. To make things look a little neater, we're going to do that. Now, we're going to multiply all the numbers together like this. 50 times 40 is 2,000, while 50 times 2 is only 100. 40 times 7 is 280, while 7 times 2 is only 14. Now we add 2,000 plus So now we're going to add 2,280, 100, and 14, and our total will be 2,394. Let's do a much more complicated box multiplication problem. Just for proof of concept, let's go for a 4-digit by 4-digit problem. Let's go for, I'm just typing numbers randomly right now, times, okay, what should I type? Again, I'm just typing numbers totally randomly. Yeah, I can't see what I'm typing. So now we're going to do 8,374 by 4,237. 8,370 and 4 by 4,230 and 7. 8,000 by 4,000 is 32 million. 4,000 times 300 is 1,200,000. 4,000 times 70 is 280,000. And 4,000 times 4 is 16,000. Oh wait, I forgot to add borders. Silly me. Next, we're gonna do 200 across. 200 times 8,000 is 16,000 times 100, which is 1,600,000. 200 times 300 is 60,000. And 200 times 70 is 14,000. 200 times 4 is 800. 30 times, and now we go on to the 30. 30 times 8,000 is 240,000. 30 times 300 is 9,000. 30 times 70 is 2,100, and 30 times 4 is 120. So far, so good. Now, 8,000 times 7 is 56,000. 300 times 7 equals 2,100. 70 times 7 is 490, and 7 times 4 is 28. Now comes the long and tedious part. First, we're gonna add all the small numbers, all the small numbers together. So first, we're going to add the 4 column. The total in this entire column is 16,948. 16,948. The total in the 70 column is, let me calculate, 296,590. The total in the 300 column is 1,271,100. And the total in the last column is 33 million. Let me quickly try to calculate this out. 906,000. Now we're going to add all of this together. Now in order to add all of this together, we're going to break it up. So first, 16,000 times plus 296,500. Okay, yeah. The first two numbers make. So what we have to do is we have to add 3,410, which we subtract from 16,000, and we get 13,538. 313,538. So that's the total for these two rows. Then we're going to take the next two numbers, and if we add them together, then we get 35,177,100. Now, when everything at last is all added up, our total is 35 million. 480,638. So I'm gonna write answer. Now there's just to check 8374 times 4237. And what do you know? I got it exactly right. So that's proof of concept for box multiplication. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it with your students and maybe or friends, depending on what your role is in the learning environment. And please subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. Bye!